Hey there, have you ever thought about swapping your morning coffee for a cup of green tea? Maybe you're tired of the jitters, the caffeine crashes, or that uneasy feeling in your stomach after your daily coffee fix. Well, you're not alone. Many people are making the switch, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what happens when you do. 1. Say goodbye to jitters and anxiety. A recent study claims that drinking green tea 3 times a week can decrease depression up to 21%, while drinking it daily for a week can decrease depression up to 51%, and that is amazing. We all love the energy boost from coffee, but let's be real. It sometimes comes with shaky hands, a racing heart, and unnecessary anxiety. Green tea, on the other hand, gives you a gentle boost without the jitters or nervousness. That's thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that keeps you calm while still keeping you focused. 2. Clearer, healthier skin. If coffee has been making your skin dry, dull, or acne-prone, green tea might be the switch you need. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce acne, redness, and irritation. Unlike coffee, which can dehydrate the skin, green tea keeps your skin hydrated and glowing. Plus, it fights free radicals, helping slow down signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. 3. More sustained energy, no more crashes. Coffee gives you a quick energy spike, but then comes the crash, leaving you feeling exhausted. Green tea releases caffeine slowly, providing a steady stream of energy throughout the day. No more feeling like a zombie by noon. 4. Stronger, shinier hair. Did you know green tea is a secret weapon for healthy hair? It contains polyphenols and vitamins that promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. Plus, it improves scalp health, fights dandruff, and strengthens hair follicles, making your hair shinier, healthier, and less prone to breakage. 5. Better sleep quality. If coffee has been messing with your sleep, green tea might be your solution. Since it has less caffeine, you can still feel awake during the day without ruining your sleep at night. Plus, L-theanine promotes relaxation, so you'll feel less restless when you hit the bed. 6. Happier stomach and better digestion. Ever had that uncomfortable bloating or acidity after coffee? That's because coffee is acidic and can irritate your stomach lining. Green tea is much gentler on your digestive system, so you'll feel less bloated and more comfortable. 7. No more caffeine addiction. Let's face it, many of us rely on coffee just to function, but too much caffeine can lead to dependency, withdrawal headaches, and mood swings. Switching to green tea helps you cut down on caffeine without the nasty withdrawal effects. 8. More antioxidants. More health benefits. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which fight inflammation, support heart health, and even boost your immune system. It's not just a drink, it's a natural health booster. 9. You stay more hydrated. Did you know coffee is a diuretic? That means it makes you lose water and can lead to dehydration. Green tea, on the other hand, keeps you hydrated and refreshed. 10. A natural boost for weight loss. If you're trying to shed a few pounds, green tea is your friend. It boosts metabolism and fat burning, making it a great addition to your daily routine. 11th. Better heart health. Too much coffee can raise blood pressure, but green tea helps lower bad cholesterol and improves blood circulation, keeping your heart happy and healthy. 12. A natural detox for your body. Green tea supports liver function and helps flush out toxins, making it a natural detox drink. Who doesn't love a little extra cleansing? Now, let me know in the comments, are you team coffee or green tea? Or are you thinking of making the switch? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.